Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Honda Pilot wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into place. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Now, let's get to removing the old blade. With the arm lifted, press the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook. It might require a little wiggle. Always keep a hand on the wiper arm to prevent it from accidentally falling and cracking your windshield. The towel you placed earlier will also help here. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, after all that hard work, you'll need some good food. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's secure. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.